Hello, everybody. Some old guy with MS here once again. In this stream, I want to talk about investing and two stocks that I think that everyone should be watching and or investing in. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think I better do the same old thing again. I am not an advisor. This is just what I am doing and what I think. Whatever you do, whether you follow me or not, is on you. So there. Now, these two stocks, I think I have mentioned them before, but I think they're well worth considering. So I'm going to mention them again. The first one is Air Canada. Before COVID hit, it was trading around $50 a share. I think in December of last year, maybe even January, it was around $50 a share. COVID hit, air travel stopped, and it went down to about $15 a share. And it sort of languished around $15 a share for a long, long time. Then Pfizer announced they pretty much had a vaccine. As soon as that announcement came out, Air Canada jumped to $20 or $21 a share. It was a 28% increase. And surprisingly, Pfizer didn't go out that much. In fact, Pfizer's been very disappointing. So, and since Air Canada hit $20, it has increased a little bit, and I think it's around $23 a share. Well, I bought some at $19 a share, and then I think at 20. See, we haven't actually got the vaccine yet, and Air Canada has already gone up more than 28%. I think once we get the vaccine, it'll go up even more. And I think once things kind of get back to normal, that is when people start going on holidays again. It's going to go higher. And when we're right back to normal, which can be a year yet, Air Canada will go back up to $50. I think there may even be some bounce in it. So I wouldn't be surprised if we hit $55 a share. If that happens, buying it right now is still a good buy. Now, what about the downside? What if these vaccines don't work? And what if Air Canada goes down? Well, that could happen, but I think it's very unlikely. But even if it does, eventually at some point, we will have a vaccine that works and things will get more or less back to normal. Even if it's more or less back to normal, but not exactly normal, well, the stock will probably go up to like $40, which from 20 is a very nice solid double. No, you can't criticize a double. And the other thing is, if Air Canada runs out of money in the meantime, well, I really, really, really doubt if the Canadian government would allow Air Canada to go bankrupt. There will be some sort of, grant or subsidy or something. So I don't think there is a very big downside, although I think there is quite a big upside. So that's number one, Air Canada. Number two, the number two second stock I would look at is Tesla. And the reason I say to look at Tesla is because the committee that sort of does the S&P 500, they have announced that Tesla will be admitted to the S&P 500. So what this means is there are lots of mutual funds and managed funds that track the S&P 500. So what that means is they have to buy stock in Tesla. Tesla will be admitted to the S&P 500 on December 21st. So essentially, from now till the 21st, some of these big mutual funds are going to be buying stock in Tesla. And that, of course, will, to a certain degree, drive the price up. Now, it's not going to be a double. It might be 10%, might be 20%. It might be 5%. But it will drive it up somewhat. So, even a 5% increase in less than a month, pretty much guaranteed, that's a good thing to get into. So I've also bought some Tesla. Actually, I bought some on their Thanksgiving Day. I think it was the 27th, which was kind of late. But I think I'll make a little bit of money. And making a little bit of money is always a good thing. Let's see. Well, and also, I like Tesla. The reason it's finally been admitted to the S&P 500 is it had 4 quarters of positive return. Well, actually, it had 5 quarters of positive return. And it's of such a huge market cap that it fits the size, recommendations quite easily. I actually also believe, in the future, Tesla is, of course, making electric cars, but they also own something to do with solar panels. I think Solar City was sort of rolled into Tesla. Right now, electric cars are the thing everyone talks about, and that's what's going to make money for them. But in the future, in the distant future, solar panels and solar installations, I think, will be a bigger part of their market. It will be, eventually, it's going to be huge. That's what I think. Yeah, so there you go. Try those two if you want. Or don't. Yeah. I think that's about it for this one. Next stream, I'm not really sure about what I'll talk about. Maybe about the name I'm using for these videos. So I think that's about it. And communication. Okay, this is not for you. Start listening. Start listening. Mouse grid 8, 8, 1. Click. Mouse grid 5, 9, 3, 8. Click. Bye bye.